She does lots of water.
Yeah. Very comfortable with it.
And you got her water, but it's so warm. So when it's hitting it hard.
Yeah.
Look at her. Look how relaxed she gets in the water.
She loves it.
So we're going to open it up. Look her neck. They did it underneath her neck. Look at her. She's almost like smiling.
Yeah. She really enjoys it.
She does. She enjoys her little neck. She's the cutest. She's the most delicious.
You know, if you just wash down like this a little bit, you know, just
calms her down. Look at her. She can lay here all day. This is a wonderful stuff.
I think she should be a water baby.
She's gonna be a water rat. She's a water rat. She's a water rat. She's a Long Island girl. She likes to be surrounded by waters. That a booty.
I know. She's like, get your finger out of my nose.
She loves it.
I know.
Little leg. Just warm this up here.
She's all rashed up. She's got to get a little desolate on her.
I know. I feel so bad.
It happens.
Yeah.
And warm weather too from sweating.
She's okay, Mom.
Definitely.
I think this is enough.
Yeah?
what about her little hiney? Clean her little tushes.
You want to do a head?
No.
No, she doesn't need her head. Put some in her ears.
So you clean her little necky, sweetheart?
Yeah.
Warm, she loves it.
Yeah, you clean the little crease in her neck?
Yeah, your mom just got it with the waters. Oh, she loves this.
G.
I love it. I love it. It's so squeezy.